City, i-congratulate muna natin ang 38th Aliw Awards Foundation Incorporated Best New Male Artist of the Year, the clone of Mac Monroe, Ruel Carino. Congratulations, Ruel! Congratulations, ha? Teka, di ka pa kumakaway.
Medyo ka muna. Medyo ka, Ruel. Message ka. Thank you.
Best new, ano nga yun?
Best New
Best
Male
new male
Artist.
artist of the year.
Wow! Congrats, Ruel.
Message mo.
So, gusto ko ito wala ng so.
Diretso.
Telemiso,
Tagalin mo yung so.
salamat po sa Aliw Awards Foundation. Salamat rin po rito sa atin dito sa TV Basic Bulaga. Na sa pagbigay sa akin ng entablado para pag ako makapag-perform. Sobrang kulitan.
Ikaw ay nakaready na maging ninong sa kailan ba?
Sa Sabado po.
Nakaready na
Dahil
ba?
magka.
Malalaman po natin.
Para hindi pa post.
Pareho lang tayo. Malalaman din natin.
Hindi basta-basta yan, ha? Opo.
Ay, hindi basta-basta to.
Ayan na! Lamot bunso na!
Artist. Ruel Carino.
Yay! Nanalo si Ruel! Saan na si Ruel? Ayun! Ayun! Ayun si Bunso! Nanalo si Bunso! Nalo na po siya! Announce na! Yes! Thanks God! Oh my God, nanginginig yung kamay ko.
So, receiving this award is a very, very big deal for me because, as you might know, I only started my journey here in showbiz in late April. This means a lot. This early into my career, imagine getting an award. So, I would just like to sincerely thank the Aliw Awards Foundation and all of the people here, whether you be a nominee or not, congratulations to all of you. I love you very much.
I love you too, Bunso. Oh my God. Nanginginig yung kamay ko. Ay, grabe, nangiiyak ako. Woo!
And the winner for Best New Female Artist is Simone Panderama Martinez.
Yes. Grinan ni Lord lahat ng prayers po natin. Thank you, Lord. Nanalo po si Bunso. New male. Best new male artist. Congrats, Bunso. Super proud ang Ruel Carino Fans Club.
Thank you po, Aliw, for giving me this award tonight. I'm eternally grateful. I would also love throughout this journey ever since I was a kid. And my abuelo and my abuelita, who is here also tonight, for supporting me, and the rest of my friends and my family who have always been there for me, and my best friend and my sister who are also here.
City, i-congratulate muna natin ang 38th View Awards Foundation Incorporated Best New Male Artist of the Year, the clone of Mac Monroe, Ruel Carino.
Congratulations, Ruel.